Okay, so some of you are still having problems when you get to this part of the video in resetting your Windows 7 or Windows 8 password through the command prompt. So I'm just going to do this little side video here and help you guys out. Now, if you go net user and just hit enter, you'll see some usernames that you can change the password for. So here I have a user called forgot password. We have a guest client, but that's currently off. The administrator is off too, and then I have my account Miller James. So forgot passwords here. The one's a little dog, and then Miller James is just the flower here. So default quick setup for Windows. So to reset the user forgot password, since it's two parts, we're gonna have to use quotes. So we're gonna put the username in here. Forgot password, and then we're going to put in the password that we want to change it to. So my new password, and we'll hit enter, and as you can see, the command is completed successfully. So we can go ahead and we can close this. We can click our user forgot password and put in my new password, and as you can see from here, we can now officially log into the computer. As you can see, I haven't logged into this user. I just created them real quick, but that's why it's preparing the desktop. Okay, and as you see here, we've officially logged in as forgot password. Okay, so another options is opening up a local users and groups program in Windows. We can do this with the command lusrmgr.msc and go ahead and hit enter. You get this window that pops up. We can click users and then click the user that you would like to change the password for, and then right click and select set password. Now you're going to get this warning here. Resetting the password might cause irreversible loss of information to the account. Let's say if your account was currently running or something, it may occur data loss like that. But if this is your only way in, you have to do what you have to do. For the most part, you won't lose anything major, or nothing drastic will happen. I've done this before. So click proceed, put in your new password. So Miller James 618, Miller James 618, and click OK. So that password has been set. So we can close this. We can close the command prompt and then click the user. We'll put in our new password, Miller James 618, and hit enter. And then you can officially log in as that user, as you can see here. The last thing we can do is activate a hidden administrator account within Windows. We can do this with the command net user administrator, then /active::yes. Once you get this command completed successfully, we can close this and we'll restart Windows. Let Windows shut down and reboot. And once Windows reboots, you'll have another account called administrator, which will not have a password on it at all. Okay, now that Windows is rebooted, you notice that we have this administrator account. We can go ahead and click that, and it will log us in as the administrator. Okay, so now that we're logged in, we can click Start. We can go to the Control panel, and we can go to Users, Account, and Family Safety. We can click Add or Remove User Accounts, and then we can click on any of the accounts that we'd like to change. So I can go ahead and change Miller James, change the password. I can put in just Miller, and and I don't need a password hint. So change password. I can go ahead and change the password for forgot password account. You can go this way, or you can easily go back to user and groups control by right clicking on computer, click manage, and you'll have a window that pops up. You can click local users and groups, click users, and we're back to where we were in the previous step, where we can just right click, set password, and go that route. So there's a few more options if you're having problems resetting your password. I hope that helps.